Hi students, welcome to 10th standard Maths Coded Geometry session 7. How are you all? Hope you are all fine at home. Today I'm going to explain about a few questions on section formula and midpoint formula and area of triangle also. Area of triangle. So coming to question. In this question, find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of these areas to area of the given triangle. So what is the given question? Find area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. So what are the given vertices? 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. So these three are vertices of given triangle. Coming to solution. First of all, draw the triangle and locate the vertices also. A 0, -1, B 2, 1, C 0, 3. Are you clear? So based on the question, find midpoints of sides. Find midpoints of sides. So what are the sides here? AB, BC and AC. These three are sides. Let P is midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB. And R is midpoint of BC. R is midpoint of BC. Q is midpoint of AC. So write down the note part. Here given A x1 y1 is equals to 0, -1. B x2 y2 is equals to 2, 1. C x3 y3 is equals to 0, 3. Midpoint of AB is equals to P. Midpoint of BC is equals to R. Midpoint of AC is equals to Q. Coming to next step. Coordinates midpoint of AB. Coordinates midpoint of AB. Do you know what the formula for midpoint of any 2 points? A x1 y1 b x2 y2. x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So formula for midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So write down the coordinates of A and B. Look at the picture. What are the coordinates? A 0, -1, B 2, 1. So midpoint of AB is equals to P. Midpoint of AB equals to P. So write down the coordinates of A and B. A 0, -1, B 2, 1. B 2, 1. So midpoint. So midpoint of AB equals to P. So P is equals to, or P coordinates is equals to x1 equal to 0, y1 equals to -1. x2 is equals to 2, y2 is equals to 1. x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 means 0 plus x2 means 2. 0 plus 2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2 means -1, comma +1 by 2. So 0 plus 2 we get 2. 2 by 2 means 1. -1 plus 1 we get 0. 0 by 2 0. 0 by anything 0. So write down the next step. P is equals to 0 plus 2 2. 2 by 2 2 by 2. -1 plus 1 we get 0. 0 by 2. 2 by 2 comma 0 by 2. So 2 by 2 means 1. 0 by 2 means 0. So what are the coordinates of P? Here P coordinates equals to 1, 0. So P is midpoint of AB. So write down the next coordinates. Here R is midpoint of BC. R is midpoint of BC. So coordinates midpoint of BC is equals to R. Write down the midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. At the same time, write the coordinates of B and C. So what are the coordinates of B and C? B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. Then R is equals to, because R is midpoint of BC. R is midpoint of BC. So midpoint of BC, x1 plus x2 by 2. Here x1 equals to 2, y1 equals to 1. x2 is equals to 0, y2 is equals to 3. x1 plus x2 by 2 means 2 plus 0 by 2. 2 plus 0 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 0 we get 2. 2 by 2, comma 1 plus 3 we get 4. 4 by 2. What is the next step? R is equals to 2 by 2, comma 4 by 2. Now 2 cancel one time and 2 ones are 2 2s are. What are the coordinates of R? Then R is equals to 1, 2. Here R is midpoint of BC. R is midpoint of BC. Write down the next coordinates. What is the next coordinate? Q. How to find coordinates of Q? Here Q is midpoint of AC. Q is midpoint of AC. Coordinates midpoint of AC is equals to, do you know what the formula for midpoint? X1 plus X2 by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. And write down the coordinates. A 0, minus 1 and C 0, 3. Here Q coordinates. So Q is midpoint of AC. Q is midpoint of AC. Then Q is written as x1 plus x2 by 2. So what is the value of x1? x1 equal to 0, y1 equals to minus 1, x2 equal to 0 and y2 equals to 3. x1 plus x2 by 2 means 0 plus 0 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So 0 plus 0 we got 0, 0 by 2, comma minus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 plus 3 we get 2, because these two are having different symbols. Subtraction is possible. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 2. So what are the coordinates? 0 by 2, comma 2 by 2. What is the next step? Q is equals to 0 by 2, comma 2 by 2. So 0 by 2, 0 by anything, we get 0. 2 by 2, 2 by 2 means 1. So what are the coordinates of Q? 0, 1. So we got P, Q and R coordinates. So area of triangle. So we know that area of triangle equals to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Based on the question, how to find area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC. At the same time, area of triangle of midpoints of triangle, midpoints of sides. So AB, P is midpoint of AB, Q is midpoint of AC and R is midpoint of BC. At the same time, how to find area of triangle QR, PQR also. Are you clear? So write down the coordinates of ABC. A x1 comma y1 is equals to 0 comma minus 1. Here x1 equal to 0, y1 equals to minus 1. B x2 y2 is equals to 2 comma 1. Means x2 is equals to 2 and y2 is equals to 1. And C x3 y3 is equals to 0 comma 3. x3 is equals to 0, y3 is equals to 3. So replace the coordinates in the given area of triangle. Half is equal to half into x1. So what is the value of x1? x1 equal to 0. x1 into y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3. So what is the value of y2? y2 means 1. y3 means 3. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. 0 into 1 minus 3 plus x2 into, what is the value of x2? x2 is equals to 2. 2 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. So what is the value of y3? y3 equal to 3 and y1 is equals to minus 1. This is written as 3 minus of minus 1 plus x3 into, what is the value of x3? 0. 0 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. So what is the value of y1 minus y1 minus y2? y1 is equals to minus 1 and y2 is equals to 1. This is written as minus 1 minus 1. So next step, half mod into, so 0 into anything? 0 plus 2 into 3 minus into minus, minus of minus means plus, 3 plus 1 plus again 0 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 we get minus 2, but 0 into anything we get 0. Right, the next step, half mod into 0 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 into 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 minus 1 we get minus 2. That is the next step, half into 0 into anything 0 plus 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 we get 4. 2 into 4, right? 2 into 4 plus 0 into minus 2. 0 into minus 2, 0, we get 0. Next step, half into 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 8. 0 plus 8 plus 0 equals to 8. Right on the next. Half into 8. So half into 8 means 1 by 2 into 8 or 8 by 2 or 8 by 2. 1 by 2 into 8 or 8 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are. We get 4 square units. 4 square units. This is the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Now coming to area of triangle ABC over ABC over. What are the midpoints of ABC triangle? P is midpoint of AB, R is midpoint of BC, and Q is midpoint of AC. Now we have to find area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR based on the question. Area of triangle PQR. We know that area of triangle PQR is equals to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So write down the coordinates. Coordinates of P, Q and R. Here P x1 y1 equals to 1 comma 0. What is the value of P? 1 comma 0. And Q x2 y3 equals to 0 comma 1. And R x3 y3 equals to 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. X1 equals to 1. Y1 is equals to 0. X2 is equals to 0. Y2 is equals to 1. X3 is equals to 1. And Y3 is equals to 2. So these coordinates replace in the given area of triangle formula. So coming to substitution. Half mod x1 into, x1 means 1. 1 into y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3 means 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 plus x2 into, what is the value of x2? x2 means 0. 0 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. y3 2 and y1 0. y1 equals to 0. So 2 minus 0 plus x3 into, what is the value of x3? x3 equals to 1. 1 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. y1 equal to 0 and y2 is equals to 1. So 0 minus 1. Now next half into 1 into 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 we get minus 1. 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2 minus 0 we get 2. So 0 into anything? 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 we get minus 1. Right on the next step. Half into 1 into 1 minus 2 we get minus 1 plus 0 into 2 minus 0 we get 2. So 0 into anything? 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 minus 1. Write the next step. Half into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 0 into anything 0 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Next step, half mod minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. Half into minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 we get minus 2. Write the next step, half into minus 2. So absolute value of minus 2 is always plus 2. This is written as half into 2. Half into 2. So 2 cancel. What is the remaining value? 1. This is the area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is equals to 4 square units, but ABC of triangle PQR is equals to 1 square unit. Now what do you observe? ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to 4 units, but PQR is formed by midpoints of sides of the given triangle. So triangle PQR is equals to 1 square unit and given triangle equals to 4 square units. So write down the ratio. Therefore, area of triangle PQR to the area of triangle ABC is equals to 1:4. So now ABC divided into 4 equal parts. ABC divided into 4 equal parts. But each and every triangle having 1 square unit. Triangle APQ 1 square unit. Triangle PQR 1 square unit. Triangle PBR 1 square unit. Triangle QRC 1 square units. But totally ABC equal to 4 square units and PQR is equals to 1 square units. The ratio is 1:4. This is the important part, bit part or 1 mark question. Coming to next question. Question number 6. Find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. So what are the given vertices of a quadrilateral? -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. First of all, you should draw a quadrilateral. After that, look at the given vertices A, B, C, D taken in order. Coming to diagram. Draw the picture. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A -4, -2. B -3, -5. C 3, -2 and D 2, 3. Now you have to find area quadrilateral. So what is the property of quadrilateral? Diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two parts. What are the diagonals? AC is a diagonal and DB or BD also diagonal. Draw any one diagonal. So AC is a diagonal, but AC divides two parts. What is the first part? Triangle ABC, and triangle ADC. Two triangles. First triangle is triangle ABC and second triangle is ADC. Now we have to find area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC. So area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC equals to area of quadrilateral ABCD. Are you clear? So first of all, draw the diagonal and have to find triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Draw the diagonal BD. You have to find triangle ABD and triangle BCD area. The total area equals to quadrilateral ABCD. Coming to solution. Area of triangle ABC. Draw diagonal AC. Area of triangle ABC. So do you know what the formula for area of triangle? Half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So write down the coordinates of A, B and C. A minus 4 comma minus 2, B minus 3 comma minus 5 and C 3 comma minus 2. Here x1 minus 4, y1 minus 2, x2 minus 3, y2 minus 5, x3 3 and y3 minus 2. So replace the coordinates in the given area of triangle formula. Half into x1, x1 means minus 4, y2 minus y3, minus 2 and minus of minus 2, y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3 means minus 5, minus of minus 2, minus of minus 2, plus x2, x2 into x2 equals to minus 3, y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1, y3 equals to minus 2 and y1 equals to minus 2. This is written as minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus x3, x3 means 3 into y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. So y1 is equals to minus 2 and y2 is equals to minus 5. This is written as minus 2 minus of minus 5. So next step, half mod minus 4 into minus 5, minus into minus plus 2, minus 5 plus 2 plus minus 3 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2. So this is written as minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus of minus 5 plus 5. Write on the next step. Half minus 4 into minus 5 plus 2 plus minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5. Now next step, half mod minus 4 into minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2 we get minus 3, are you clear? Plus minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2, these two are having different symbols, minus 2 plus 2 we get 0, so minus 3 into 0, 0 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5, these two are having different symbols, 5 minus 2, 3, are you clear? Write down the next step. Half mod minus 4 into minus 5 plus 2 we get minus 3 plus minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 we get 0 plus 3 into 5 minus 2, 3. What is the next step? Half mod minus 4 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 4 into 3, 12 plus minus 3 into 0, 0 plus 3 into 3, 9. Write down the next step. Half into 12 plus 0 plus 9. 12 plus 9 we get 21. Half into 21. Half into 21. Half into 21 written as half into 21 or 21 by 2. 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 means 10 and half, 10.5 square units. This is area of triangle ABC. And what is the remaining part? Area of triangle ACD or area of triangle ADB. Sorry, ADC. ACD or ADC. So let us find area of triangle ADC or ACD. Area of triangle ACD is equals to, so write down the formula of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So write down the coordinates of A, C and D. A minus 4 minus 2, C 3 comma minus 2 and D 2 comma 3. So write down the coordinates. Here x1 is equals to minus 4, x2 is equals to 3, x3 is equals to 2, y1 is equals to minus 2, y2 is equals to minus 2 and y3 is equals to 3. Replace the coordinates in the given area of triangle. So area of triangle ACD, area of triangle ACD is equals to half mod x1 into x1 means minus 4 into y2 minus y3 minus y3. y2 means minus 2 and y3 means 3. Minus 2 minus 3 plus x2. x2 means 3. 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. So what is the value of y3? y3 means 3 minus y1 is equals to minus 2. So 3 minus of minus 2. 3 minus of minus 2 plus x3. x3 into x3 value 2. 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. So what is the value of y1? y1 means minus 2 and minus y2 equals to minus 2. This is written as minus 2 minus of minus 2. Next step, half mod minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3. These two are having same symbols. Addition minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 into 3 minus into minus plus means 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2. This is written as 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 into 3 plus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. This is written as 2 into minus 2 plus 2. Write down the next step. Half into minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 into 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 3 plus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. Next step, half into minus 4 into minus 5 minus 20 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 we get 0. Right to the next step. Half into minus 4 and minus 5 minus into minus plus 4 into 5 20 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 5 3 into 5 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 we get 0 2 into 0. Now next step, half into 20 plus 3 into 5 15 plus 2 into 0 0. Right on the next step. Half into 20 plus 15 plus 0. Half into 20 plus 15 plus 0 we get 35. Are you clear? Half into 35. So half into 35 means 35 by 2. 35 by 2 or 35 by 2 we get 17 and half, 17.5 square units. So what is triangle ACD? Area of triangle ACD equals to 17.5. Now have to find area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral equals to two parts. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So write down the next step. Area of triangle ABCD. Area of triangle ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Now area of triangle ABC 10.5 square units. Area of triangle ACD 17.5 square units. So 10.5 plus 17.5 we get 28 square units. So what is the area of ABCD quadrilateral? 28 square units. Are they clear? So coming to next question. You have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. What is given condition? You have studied in class 9 a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2 and C 5, 2. So what is given triangle? ABC triangle. Vertices 4, minus 6, 3, minus 2, C 5, 2. So coming to solution. Write on the first of all, draw the triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. So based on the question, draw one median. Draw one median. AD is a median. AD is a median. What the given question? Median of a triangle divided into two triangles. AD is a median. AD is a median. So AD divides triangle ABC into two equal parts. Triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Is it right or wrong? So verify the solution. So AD is a median. AD divides the triangle into two parts. Triangle ABD and triangle ADC. So let us find area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ACD. So if these two are equal, our condition is right. Are you clear? Coming to solution, write on the coordinates. Let the vertices of the triangle A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2 and C 5, 2. So these are vertices of the given triangle. Let D is midpoint of BC. Let D midpoint of BC. Draw AD. Draw AD. Therefore, AD is a median. AD is a median. Do you know what is meant by median? Draw a line segment from vertex to midpoint of opposite side. That is called median. So here D is midpoint of BC. Join AD. Now AD is called median. It is called median of triangle ABC. Let us find vertices of D. So D vertices at D coordinates is equals to midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. So do you know what the formula for midpoint of any 2 points? X1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Coming to the next step, coordinates of D. Coordinates of D is equals to midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. So write down the coordinates of BC. B 3, minus 2 and C 5, 2. 5, 2. So let us find midpoint. Midpoint of BC is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1 equal to 3, y1 equals to minus 2. x2 is equals to 5, y2 is equals to 2. x1 plus x2, 3 plus 5 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 means 3 plus 5 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2 minus 2 plus 2 by 2. Right on the next step. D is equals to 3 plus 5 by 2 minus 2 plus 2 by 2. 3 plus 5 we get 8, 8 by 2. Minus 2 plus 2 we get 0, 0 by 2. Right on the next step. D is equals to 8 by 2, comma 0 by 2. 8 by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are. 0 by 2, 0 by anything 0. So what are the coordinates of D? D equals to 4, 0. D is equals to 4, 0. Now let us find area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle equals to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So we know that area of triangle formula. Coming to next step. By substituting these values ABD in the given area of triangle formula. A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2 and D 4, 0. So let us find area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD equals to half into x1. x1 means 4 into y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3. y2 equals to minus 2 minus y3 equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 0 plus x2. x2 means 3. 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. y3 means 0 minus y1 means minus 6. 0 minus of minus 6 plus x3. x3 into x3 value. x3 equal to 4. x3 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. y1 equal to minus 6 minus of y2 is equals to minus 2. Minus 6 minus of minus 2. Now next step, half mod 4 into minus 2 minus 0. We get minus 2 plus 3 into 0 minus of minus 6 plus 6. 0 plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 minus of minus 2 plus 2. This is written as minus 6 plus 2. Write down the next step. Half into 4 into minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 plus 3 into 0 minus of minus 6 plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 minus of minus 2 plus 2. Next step, half into 4 into minus 2. We get minus 8 plus 3 into 6 18 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 2. We get minus 4. Write down the next step. Half into 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 3 into 6 18 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 2 we get minus 4. What is the next step? Half into minus 8 plus 18, 4 into minus 4 minus 16. Write down the half into minus 8 plus 18 minus 16. Here minus 8 minus 16, these two are having same symbols. So minus 8 minus 16 minus 24 plus 18. This is written as half into minus 24 plus 18. Minus 24 plus 18, we get 6 minus 6. Half mod minus 6. So absolute value of minus 6 means always positive value. This is written as half into 6. Half into 6 or 6 by 2. 6 by 2 we get 3 square units. What is the area of triangle ABD? Triangle ABD is equals to 3 square units. Now let us find area of triangle ADC. By substituting the values of, it says ADC in the given equation, area of triangle formula. So write down the coordinates. A 4 comma minus 6, 4 comma minus 6, B 4 comma 0, and C 5 comma 2. Area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC equals to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So half into x1. X1 means 4. Y2 minus y3, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 plus x2. X2 means 4. Y3 minus y1. Y3 means 2 minus y1 means minus 6. 2 minus of minus 6 plus x3. X3 means 5. X3 into y1 minus y2. Y1 means minus 6 minus y2 means 0. What is the next step? Half into 4. 0 minus 2. We get minus 2. 4 into minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus of minus 6. 2 minus of minus 6 plus 6. 4 into 2 plus 6 plus 5 into minus 6 minus 0. We get minus 6. Write down the next step. Half into 4 into 0 minus 2 minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus of minus 6 plus 6, 2 plus 6 plus 5 into minus 6 minus 0, we get minus 6. Next step, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 4 into 2 plus 6, 8, 4 into 8, 4 into 8 plus 5 into minus 6 minus 30. At the next step, half into 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 4 into 2 plus 6, 8, 4 into 8 plus 5 into minus 6 minus 30. Right on the next step, half into minus 8 plus 4 into 8, 4 into 32 plus into minus minus 30 minus 30 minus 8 plus 32 minus 30. Here minus 8 and minus 30, these two are having same symbols, addition. Minus 8 minus 30 minus 38 plus 32. Next step, half into minus 38 plus 32 minus 38 plus 32. Next step, half into minus 38 plus 32. These two are having different symbols, subtraction. So minus 38 plus 32 minus 6. Half into minus 6. Absolute value of minus 6 means plus 6. This is written as half into 6. Half into 6 or 6 by 2. Half into 6 or 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means 2 ones are 2, 3s are 3 square units. Now area of triangle ADC also 3 units. Now what do you observe? Median in a triangle, median divides the triangle into two equal areas. So write down the next step. Therefore, area of triangle ADC is 3 square units. Area of triangle ADC is 3 square units and ABD also 3 square units. Write down the next step. Area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ADC is equals to 3 square units. Next step. Hence, a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Okay, students, are you clear? But next section, we will learn some concepts. Okay, thank you.